Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to carry on with my declutter series. I really need to sort out my clothes. It's probably been about, I don't know, 2 or 3 years since I sorted it all out. So I keep my clothes in this double wardrobe. My husband's got that bit, I'm not gonna get involved. This is my bit. So I've got hanging clothes and shoes in here. I also keep clothes in my dressing table drawers, in 2 of the drawers, and at the bottom I've got a basket where I keep my pyjamas. And actually what I'd really like to do is lose that basket and be able to keep everything in the drawers. It would just make it a lot easier to keep everything tidy. It does gather dust, so it would be better if it was all kept in the drawers. The other place where I keep things is under the bed. I've got some out of season clothes in plastic boxes. I need to go through those. And the other place is that I've got a hanging rail on the side of this wardrobe. And what I tend to do is put things on there that I'm going to wear again. So I've worn them once and I know I can wear them again. But it's also become a place that is almost like I wasn't even opening these doors and I was just wearing what I had on the rod. So actually it's a kind of a sign to me that I'm not wearing a lot of these clothes. Right, this stuff, what I'm going to do, I was going to start sort of just leafing through it, but actually what I'm going to do is take everything out, stick it on the bed, and then make decisions about what I want to keep and only put the things back in that I know that I definitely want to keep. I've got a feeling I'm going to find things in here as well that I've forgotten about. So I really think it is worth going through and getting everything out. And I can already see that actually my hangers are really dusty, so it's also going to need a clean. Can you believe how much stuff I have just taken out of the wardrobe? That is crazy. So I'm going to have a keep pile over there and a donation pile. So first of all, cardi is a yes, and I do wear that. That's handy. So I'm going to keep that. I love that dress, so I'm going to keep that, definitely. Also got a nice Bowden dress. I'm wearing that, so yes, I'm keeping it. In fact, these are all my winter dresses. I've got another one there. That one is definitely going to be for keeping as well. Now this dress, I bought this last Christmas. It's sort of like a tartan, but it's got a mark on it. I really don't like the way that I feel when I'm wearing it, so that is going. And in fact I'm going to just start a pile on the floor over there. These blouses, these 2, I do wear these. I wear these for work, so they are staying. This jacket, oh, I'm going to let it go. Oh, cardigan, wear that lot, that's staying. Now I do wear this denim jacket in the summer, so that's staying. Now this cardigan, I do wear it, but it's getting a little bit old. So that is something I'm going to just make a note of, that I probably need to look for another one to replace that. I do like wearing bright colour, so that one I will keep. Right, now this one, actually I've got two of these. These are really long summer maxi dresses and I really like them. I bought them this year, but they don't actually, do I need to have that in my wardrobe right now? I'm not going to wear that till the summer. So it's a yes, but I might move it. Dress, I love this dress. That's staying. Now I've got 2 summer linen shirts and I wear both of them. They are a yes, but again, I don't need them in the wardrobe. So denim dress, I wear that, but I don't wear that and I don't like it. So that is just like a tunic. That's going. That is, I really like that. That's staying. Another linen shirt. I think it's time to go, that one. This top, I've worn it a few times, but I don't think I want it anymore. I don't really choose to wear that. I haven't worn this for a while. I used to wear this like when I had to go off for meetings and things. No, I'm going to keep it. This shirt has seen better days. I am going to let it go. Just another shirt. Now this dress is a definite no. I don't like the neckline. I wouldn't ever reach for it. I don't really like the pattern. Don't really know why I bought it. I bought it during lockdown and didn't send it back. So that's going. That dress, I do wear that in the summer, but I don't need it in my wardrobe right now. This dress and little cardigan, I really like that and I do wear it, so that is staying. This dress is an example of such a beautiful dress. Fenright and Mason dress, size 8. Am I ever going to get there again? It's so beautiful though when it's on, like the way it hangs. Right, I'm going to put it in the yes pile. That jacket, I do wear that. I've worn that for a wedding. I'm going to keep it because it's handy. I really like this skirt, but I don't wear it and I probably wouldn't choose to wear it. I used to wear that when I was teaching. I'm going to let that go. This dress, again, I like it. I've not worn it for probably over a year, but it's got a bit faded and I don't really like wearing anything sleeveless anymore. Yes, it's gonna go. I do really like it, but no. Okay, going. This cardigan, it's got a hole, it's got holes. No, it's going. This shirt, I bought this shirt when I had my interview for my current job and I like it. Oh, okay, I'm going to go through my blouses again in a minute and decide which ones I'm going to keep. That top I really like wearing, it's really comfortable. That is staying, that's staying as well. I love that. Really nice top and it's got these like really nice floaty sleeves. That's staying. This I don't wear and haven't chosen to wear it for a really long time, even though it is jewels, but it's gonna go. God, the pile is growing. I really feel like I'm on a roll, so I am going to carry on going through all of my summer stuff. This pile, the things that I've taken out of the wardrobe that can now live in my summer box, but there are lots of things in here that I don't wear, don't choose to wear, and I think it's time to let some of these go as well. So the last place I want to declutter is these drawers. I want to be very, very mindful about what I am putting, what I am keeping. I don't particularly want to get everything out right now because I've got such a big pile of donations behind me, so I'm literally going to just go through and make some really tough decisions about what I'm keeping. So this top, for example, is really, really nice sleeveless top, and when I was really skinny it looked lovely, but not now. So that's going. That top was just a mistake. Bought it, really don't like it. It's going. Oh my gosh, I'm good at this now. So here we go. I'm going to just count up and see how many Jules stripy tops I've got. I have gotten rid of so much in the drawer, so now I'm just going to work out what I'm going to get. I do like wearing that one, so I'll keep that one. No, I'll let it, because I've got less in here now, I should be able to see what I've got. Let's give it this summer and see if I wear them. The last thing that I want to tackle is this bottom drawer. I have got so much in here, and again, I'm gonna get it all out and only put back the stuff that I want to keep. This one actually, and that can go instantly. This one, for example, I went through a real stage of wanting to wear like a stripy mum uniform, probably when this is going back to when my son was small, really. And I don't really dress like that anymore, so that's gonna go. The other important thing about stuff in this drawer is it's got loads of old jeans in, where I think or thought that I was going to lose the weight. Like, for example, these, and one day I might wear them again. I don't think I'm ever going to wear them again. I loved wearing them probably about 20 years ago, but and they haven't got bum pockets, which is weird. So I'm going to let them go with love. So I did it. I decluttered the wardrobe, I've done the boxes under the bed, I got rid of loads from there, and I also did my drawers, and now brilliantly I've got room for my pyjamas, and I have tried to really cut down on the amount that I've got. All of my pyjamas are quite tatty, and actually I think it is time to get a couple of really nice new pairs and get rid of all of those. And probably, I think 2 pairs is enough. 1 in the wash, 1 to wear. That's plenty. And so now I have got my empty basket at the bottom of the dressing table, and I am so pleased because I'm going to use that and continue to go through and declutter all of the time. I have got a wardrobe that I can actually see what I've got, and I want to wear the things in it, and I've got such a big donation pile. It's quite scary just looking at how much I've got to donate. I'm thinking as I've been going through, am I going to try and sell it? But to be honest, I do so much thrift shopping and charity shopping, and I just think what I'm going to do is make sure that everything's clean and give it back so that they can sell it again, and I'm not going to try and make money out of it. At the end of the day, I've had the value from them, and if they can make some more money out of them again, then good on them, and actually then I'll feel like I'm doing a good deed by giving them back. Thank you for watching today. I've really enjoyed this, going through and decluttering my wardrobe. It has been so cleansing to get rid of so much stuff. I've got so much more room, and there's also been that kind of realisation of being honest with myself. What do I want to wear? What style do I have these days? What size I am? I know that I've got a couple of things in my wardrobe that I've kept because I just really like them, and I wonder if one day that I might be able to get in them again. But on the whole, I've tried to be as realistic as possible about what I'm wearing and what I'm keeping. Thank you so much for watching. If you're not a subscriber, then don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.